My name is Cecilia, this is Anissa, and this is Marissa, and the topic we're going to be talking about is Alzheimer's disease. So, the reason we're interested in this topic is because Alzheimer's is the sixth leading cause of death in the United States. Alzheimer's is defined as an irreversible, progressive brain disorder that destroys memory and thinking skills, and eventually the ability to carry out the simplest tasks, for example, driving, the ability to feed oneself, and taking care of yourself just in general. And due to the effects of this disease, the people are put into caregiver centers because they can't perform the abilities. Many scientists and doctors today are still unsure of what exactly causes the disease. However, they are certain that they discovered risk factors. With more research, scientists and medical personnel are hopeful that soon the disease will be controlled and caught early so that they can better progress the patient's life.
So, the current state of knowledge of Alzheimer's disease is that it begins to appear in the mid 60s. It is the most common cause of dementia among older adults. What scientists believe today is that it is very likely that damage to the brain starts a decade or more before memory and other brain dysfunctions occurs. Scientists have discovered that the damage begins in the hippocampus due to non-functioning neurons, which then lose connection to other neurons and die. And according to the Alzheimer's Association, there are two categories of genes that influence whether a person develops a disease: one, risk genes, and two, deterministic genes. And the APOE4 is the first risk gene identified and remains the gene with the strongest impact on risk. However, there is no definite cure for Alzheimer's, but lives can be progressed. And a big controversy in Alzheimer's research is the concern that aluminum plays a role in causing Alzheimer's.
How does it play a role? According to WebMD, researchers found traces of aluminum metal in the brains of patients who were diagnosed with Alzheimer's. However, the reason for the controversy is because there is no definite proof that aluminum correlates with Alzheimer's. Researchers have found questionable results and have not been able to confirm this theory. The future of Alzheimer's is one that is not clear. New treatments are underway and research continues vigorously. Currently, there are 5 FDA-approved Alzheimer's drugs that are temporarily improve symptoms. According to Mayo Clinic, however, these medications do not treat the underlying decline and death of brain cells. Numerous clinical trials are in progress to find the best possible treatment that can prevent Alzheimer's. The future of finding a treatment is still in progress and may take many more years. Researchers are hopeful that they will be able to uncover and assess risk of Alzheimer's and find a cure or prevention method. Until then, medical personnel and scientists are hoping to progress patients' lives.